y'all doing in there? There you go. Yeah, they ate through it anyway.
Tasty.
They're like, food. We will rock you. Yeah. What? Yeah. Be nice to have an inner cover. Must be real nice.
What happened? Oh, right.
It's cockroach.
Oh, you gotta take this off of her.
Ooh, I see the new queen too.
Yeah? Let's see.
Where did she go? Where did she go? She's on. Oh, right there. Well, busy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put this one back.
Cool.
Alright, now we confirmed the queen. They accepted her.